Hey people, Kiara here from iDigital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets and ChatGPT. Alright guys, so the reason that we promote the $25 business is because it's 80% recurring income. So if you're an affiliate marketer, promote this product, the $25 business. 80% recurring is ridiculous. Alright, so anyway guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, we're going to look at our results here. Looks like we did not get a sale. We're going to refresh the page so I make sure I show real results to you guys. I'm trying to be as clear as possible. It's very easy to change all these numbers to be anything. Alright, to be anything. But when you refresh, it pops back into what it always been. Alright, looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Like I stated before, consistency is key. I'm going to keep posting and we're going to get more numbers. Alright, so first and foremost, I want to show you my link that I use in particular, and I want to get you your links that you can use. All of these links here, but this is the one I promote doing this. Alright, this is the link that I use personally. Okay, so first and foremost, to get your links, go to the description there. And you're going to see incomespeech.com in the description. Click on that description. You click on incomespeech.com. It's going to take you to this page here. Now, this page is basically the sales letter for this product, the $25 business. It's going to talk about how much money you can make with it, what it is essentially, and it's a funnel builder. And if you're an affiliate marketer, you know what a funnel builder is. And it's $25 per month, as many funnels as you want. If you ever made funnels before, you know that's a fantastic deal. ClickFunnels want $100 per month. I'm just saying. And some other products and stuff, they want around about 80, 60, 50, somewhere around there. It's never $25. If it's $25, it's like some kind of trial. You can make one funnel or something like that. Anyway, this is a fantastic product. They also get a charity if you're interested in that. Now the money you can make is kind of crazy. See, you can get $20 off of that $25, and there's another product that's $125 you can get $100 from, and that's going to add up to $120 per month per customer, guys. That's absolutely fantastic. This is the product to promote, guys. I don't know, maybe you use a different mode to promote it, but this is the product to promote. This is the one you want to go with. This is the best deal you're ever going to find. All right, so we go to yes, I want to try this out. And you just put in basic information for the product here. By the way guys, it's very easy. One thing I like about them is that the way to get out of this, you don't have to write them, email them. You go to a page and say, hey, I don't want this no more. Boom, done. It's done. It's over. You don't get charged no more, which is really cool. And a lot of programs are not like that. You got to email them to do it and stuff like that. It's kind of annoying. But anyway guys, this is the product here. It's $25 for the funnel builder here, guys, and all of that. And you know, videos on how to set it up and all that. They give you tutorials on how to do everything in the system. Like, they give you videos. There's so many videos on how to do absolutely everything in the system. All right, guys. And one thing I want to speak on is if you use my link, right? Use my link, you can get this here, HBA Premium, for free for 14 days if you use my link. Alright guys, you use my link, you can get that for free. Now this is basically training and traffic and stuff like that, and teaching you how to promote products on websites like Facebook, ads and Facebook. You can set up blogs. It teaches you how to set up blogs. It teaches you how to do podcasts, how to set up a podcast, how to make a YouTube channel, TikToking, Instagram, whatever, right? And the cool thing about it is that there's a content creation machine with AI. Uses AI to create content for you, so you don't really need to think about your content too much. You just kind of, hey, I want to do this, what is it, you know what I mean? It's a little bit like ChatGPT, but more centered around this product, you know, centered around selling products, you know what I mean? So anyway guys, that's all there is to that. One more cool thing about getting HBA Premium, if you get a sale with HBA Premium at $125, you keep that $100, even though you technically don't own the product yet. You know what I mean? So that's a fantastic deal. 14 days, you get it for free. If you get a sale, you keep that $100. All right, that's real cool. And yeah, so you just log in, you know, basic stuff. It's a video for everything, like I said before. And eventually you'll get your links. All right. Now, once you get your links, you need a way to promote your links. And this is the absolute easiest way to promote these I have found. It's the easiest, all right? The easiest way. It takes seconds per day once you understand how to do it. So basically, you grab your link and you come to my lead gen secrets. Now, once you come to my lead gen secrets, right? Now, what my lead gen secrets is, it's a link in the description, by the way, the second link there. Basically, what my lead gen secrets is that you get 100 leads per day that you can email once per day. All right, guys? So it's pretty basic. You kind of make your account, log in, whatever, right? And you can send an email, right? You go to the mailing system. You can check your leads and stuff. I don't want to show that on stream and stuff. I think I get in trouble for like some kind of doxing issue, but I ain't gonna show all that. But basically, you get 100 leads every single day, and you just come in, you make your account, you got 100 leads, blah blah blah. Don't worry about this number here. The way these, I've gotten sales with just 100 leads on the first day, so that's happened to me before. So don't worry about how many leads I have. So what you want to do is go to we're gonna use one of the emails that ChatGPT has written for me. Now, if you've been at the beginning of this whole scenario, it'll show me making ChatGPT write these emails for me, and it kind of followed this structure here. Now, the email that we're gonna go with, that's the one we sent yesterday. So we're gonna send this one today. Now we're gonna copy that. Now you can copy these emails here. I'm gonna pick roughly. A little too long. There we go. Your wealth begins. Right. Boom. I'm gonna pick something like that. I'm just gonna change the title just a little bit. And this is the email right here. The structure of the email, very short, very concise. One thing I want to make sure, shorter emails tend to work better than longer ones, is what I've noticed. And we're gonna send this email here. We're gonna hit perfect timing. That should send the email around the time people check emails. That's what perfect timing does. You can pause and copy this email if you want to. I don't show the whole thing, so just pause it and copy it if you want to copy it. And perfect timing is send the email around people check emails, right? And you want to preview. Now what you want to do with preview is you want to make sure that your link works. That's very important. Make sure your link works. It does work. All right, guys, that's all there is to it. You send the email, you're done. All right, you do this every morning, you send it, you're done. It takes about 30 seconds per day to do. I make money with it, you can too. Now let me stress something. This is the easiest way to make money online. This is not the best way to make money online. This is so easy to do, right? The best way is to create content. And let me tell you something about making and creating content. Basically, I think the best way is to create short film videos that you post on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Those are the three you want to post to. If you don't post anywhere else, post on those three. All right, focus on those three. And that's what I do. Make short form videos and post on those three. Maybe use ChatGPT or something to come up with some money related things to say that's kind of funny, right? Or motivation or anything like that. And then post them videos. I'll make a video on how to do that soon. But basically, the main thing you need to do is stay consistent. Don't worry about how good your video is. Don't worry about if your quote is actually all that funny. Don't worry about the content of your video really all that much, and how clean your video looks, how many scenes you got, all that stuff. Don't worry about any of that stuff. The most important part of posting and making money online is consistency. Do it every day, every single day. Do it more, because eventually something's gonna go viral, and when that goes viral, money comes in your bank account like crazy. You don't know what to do with it all. I promise you, once you have one video that goes viral, you're good. So the more you post, the more of that chance happening. And as soon as that happens, because some people Some people can make a video go viral real quick, especially with this product. This product is monthly income. So if one video go viral, you make a ton of money, and you keep that money consistently over time, which is really cool with this product. But some people do make videos go viral and make a lot of money for then on, even if the product's not like this. So that's the way to make money online, guys. Just keep posting the most, and eventually something goes viral, and that's when you make a ton of money. All right, guys. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll speak to you guys next time. Peace.